going, baby? What's going, baby? I know that you guys will be saying that, oh, we have not heard from Abby. Abby did not post videos today. Where is Abby? Look, this is the disaster that I need to work on. Disaster in this house. Since I came back from trip, I have to systemize all these clothes, washing, drying. Look at my luggage. I evacuate one luggage away from this house. Then I have to systemize. Abby is here. But they want to use work to finish Abby. From one problem to another to resolve. That is what I've been doing. Abby, what is the reason why I'm not posting? I have a lot of work to do. And remove the winter clothes. And put the summer clothes. I have to evacuate this house. Really? I am going to cry for everyone. Because it is not really easy. Is it easy? Look at me with work. I look at all the work in this house. All the work that I have to do. Right now. That's why you guys are not seeing Abby. That's why I did not post. Removing. I want to start my work to systemize. I am done systemizing all those thief people when they thief money they come up for my own account. All the name of to be a content creator. Then you download something. You download this one. We download this. We download that. Then at the tail end, all these people is stealing money away from my account. I have to block all of them and cancel all the subscriptions since 3 days. Oh, my head is filled up. It's full. Now it is not that I have to start the housework. I've not been cooking. If not for my brother that God will bless, that he is the one that is cooking all the food that I am eating in this house. Without no time for myself. When we add that, we have time for him or herself. And when you become an adult, responsibility of problems upon problems full everywhere. You have to start resolving. Dealing with the app. To become a content creator is not easy. Because you download audio app, different upon app. And these people will start collecting money away from your account because it is not for free. It is not for free. They have shook their hands in my eyes. And me, I am going to cry for them. I will cry and cry and cry for them. I will cry. I am not posting. I will cry. I cannot be able to post. I will cry. So Abby is here. Abby is here. Full of work. Full of responsibility. Full of problems. Full of headache. I am here. I will cry. I'm going to cry for everyone.